The day Eunice Matlekwana refused to give up was not a perfect day. In fact, it was a day everything felt uncertain. The struggles were still there. The questions were still there. The pain had not suddenly disappeared. But something inside me had changed. I realized giving up would mean allowing my circumstances to write the ending of my story. And deep within my heart, I knew that my story deserved more than that. So I made a quiet promise to myself. Even if the road was long, even if healing took time, even if progress felt slow, I would keep going. Step by step, prayer by prayer, word by word. That day taught me something powerful. Strength is not always about having everything together. Sometimes strength is simply the courage to say, I will not give up. And from that moment forward, my journey was no longer about surviving the pain. It became about growing through it. Yes.